What's up everyone and welcome back, or if you are seeing me for the first time, welcome. Just a friendly reminder to hit that like and subscribe button even if you somewhat enjoy this video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a website for under $50 AUD per year, simply using Google Domains and Carrd.co. Carrd.co is my absolute favorite site builder I've ever used, and this is probably about the 10th that I've used. Having an online presence is essential for businesses and personal brands, simply because a website is a great way to showcase your products and services. So in this video, I will walk through the process of creating a website from scratch, step by step. The first step to creating a website is choosing your domain name. This is the address that people will use to find your website online, for example, jimmyexplores.com.au. This is the one that I've used, and you can go and use that for a reference, but you need to find a domain name that suits your needs to what you are trying to achieve. To keep costs low, I highly recommend using a Google domain, which starts at just $19.80, including GST per year. Simply go to Google Domains website and search for the domain name that's available, and once you've found the one that you like, click buy and add it to your cart. Now that you have your domain name, it's time to create your website. To keep it under the budget of $50 AUD, I recommend using Carrd.co. Carrd is a website builder that's specifically designed for simple, one-page, no-code websites. It's user-friendly, easy to use, and best of all, it's free to get started. However, to make your domain usable in Carrd, you will need to upgrade to the Pro tier, which is $19 per year, which still keeps us under the $50 AUD threshold. To get started today, you can find my referral link in the description below, or go to Carrd.co and click sign up and create an account. Step 3, you need to choose a template off Carrd. Carrd has a vast variety of templates to choose from, so you can find one that best fits you and your brand. Simply scroll through the templates and choose the one that you feel suits you best. Once you've selected a template, you can start customizing it to your liking. You can change colors, text, and images, and even have the ability to add custom code if you have any special requirements. The next step is to add your content. This is the most important step, as the content is what will attract visitors to your website and keep them engaged. Here are a few tips for creating great content for your website. You need to start with a clear goal in mind. What do you want your visitors to do when they arrive on your website? And you need to make sure your content supports that goal. You need to keep it simple. Don't overload your website with too much text and too many images. You just need to stick to the essentials and focus on making your message clear and concise. You need to make it visually appealing though. Use high quality images, graphics, and videos to break up the text and make your website more interesting. Make it easy to navigate. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make your content easy to read and scan. Add a call to action. Encourage your visitors to take action, whether it's filling out a form, making a purchase on your product or service, or even just getting in touch with you. Now it's time to add your content to your website, and Carrd makes it really easy to add and organize your content into the website builder. So take some time to play around with it and get familiar with the platform. You can add text, images, and even videos to the website by simply clicking the plus button sign and selecting the type of content you want to add. You can also add a contact form so that people can get in touch with you by going to the forms section and creating a new form. Remember to preview your website regularly and make sure everything looks and works the way you want it to. And don't be afraid to make changes or try new things until you're happy with the final result. Next, you need to connect your domain. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to connect your domain. To do this, simply go to the domain section of your Carrd account and click Add Domain. Enter your Google domain and follow the steps to verify your domain ownership. Now it's finally time to launch your website. After all the hard work you've put into creating your website, it's an exciting moment to see it live on the web. To launch your website, simply hit the Publish button in the top right corner of your Carrd account. Your website will be live and accessible to the world through your Google domain. Now, before you launch, here's a few important things to keep in mind. Test everything thoroughly, make sure all your links, images, and videos are working properly and that your contact form is functioning as expected. You need to optimize for search engines, making sure that your website is optimized for search engines like Google so that it can be easily found by potential visitors and traffic. You can do this by including keywords in your content, using descriptive headings, and making sure your website is easy to navigate. Once your website is live, start promoting it. Share it on social media, and the more people who know about your website, the more traffic you'll get. Keep your website up to date. Regularly update your website with new content, promotions, and special offers to keep visitors engaged and coming back for more. And with that, your website is live. Congratulations on launching a website for under $50 using a Google domain and Carrd.co. Don't be afraid to make changes and updates as needed, and as always, keep working to make the website as best as it can be. And that's it, guys. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to create a website for under $50. The great thing about Carrd is that you can make 30% commissions on referrals for anyone that signs up to a pro account, and you can also earn $70 commissions from selling your site templates that you create yourself. So you can very quickly start making back the money it has cost you to start in the first place. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and always don't forget to like and subscribe so that you get notified when I drop videos like this. Cheers.